It can be tough to find a steam iron that can remove stubborn creases without much effort. The best irons should be comfortable to hold, the right weight, and have a good steam shot and high tank capacity. Several other features, including high wattage, continuous steam pressure, and a long power cord also add to the making of a great iron. When you hear the word iron, what you imagine is most likely a steam iron. These are traditional, compact models with a built-in water tank that uses steam to relax the fabric and remove creases. The higher the steam output, the more powerful its decreasing abilities will be. A steam generator iron is best suited to those who have big items to press and an especially high laundry pile. These models, with separate water tanks, put out more steam at a higher pressure. These are bigger and bulkier than standard irons, so you need to factor in storage space. Key features to consider. Continuous steam pressure. Measured in grams, the higher the steam output, the more effectively the iron should do its job. Anything over 50 grams per minute would be considered a high output for a steam iron. Steam shot. When using a steam iron and tackling those extra stubborn creases in hard to reach areas, the steam shot is a go-to feature. Tank capacity. The tank capacity number varies from 0.27 to 0.4 liters, whereas the tanks on steam generators are much bigger. Those in our roundup range from 1 to 2.5 liters. Your choice will depend on the size of your ironing pile and some personal preferences, including the size of the opening for refilling and whether it's important for you to see the water level through the tank. Other things to look out for. Cordless irons can be practical and convenient, but they're generally not as powerful as corded ones and they have to be frequently reheated on the base. Nearly all models have anti-scale and anti-calcium functions. Over time, calcium in the water supply will form limescale, which clogs the steam vents. That will be particularly important if you live in a hard water area. Higher wattage will generally mean faster heat-up times, with the quickest usually ready in a little more than a minute. Look out for auto switch-off capabilities for safety. And, at the most practical level, consider whether the cord length works for you and whether the weight, size and display type are right for your needs. BRAUN is 2043 CARESTYLE. In the first place in the list of consumer preferences is the budget model BRAUN is 2043 CARESTYLE. This steam generator has all the necessary functions, without forcing to overpay for some exclusive technology. The design of the device is also very modest. The boiler station is a cylinder smoothed along the edges with a fixed tank of 1.3 liters. The power of the heating element is 2,200 watts. The steam generator iron and the base are connected by a 1.5 meters hose. The length of the power cord is 1.8 meter. That is, using the BRAUN is 2043 CARESTYLE at home is quite convenient. Does not hinder anything. Steam is supplied to the sole of the iron under a pressure of up to 5 bar, which allows the device to be used for vertical steaming. At the same time, water consumption is assumed to be 110 grams per minute with constant simple supply and up to 300 grams per minute in steam boost mode. Of the protection technologies, the BRAUN is 2043 CARESTYLE has an anti-drip system and anti-scale protection. To the undoubted advantages of the model, users include small dimensions and weight, and the disadvantages are a long period of preparation for work, boiling, and the absence of a thermostat. Philips GC9315 PERFECTCARE AQUA Pro. Second in the list of Philips GC9315 PERFECTCARE AQUA Pro is a quality mid-range steam generator from a well-known manufacturer. Philips GC9315 can hardly be called compact. The volume of its water tank is 2.5 liters, and the weight of the entire structure approaches 5 kilograms. And one could say that this does not matter, with the stationary use of the device. However, Philips's tank is not removable, and there may be some difficulty filling it. Otherwise, the Philips model is a good and functional option. With a heating element power of 2,100 watts, the steam generator can produce a pressure of up to 6.5 bar. Water consumption during the operation of the steam generator is 120 grams per minute with conventional steam and 420 grams per minute with steam boost. The Philips GC9315 PERFECTCARE AQUA Pro iron is tied to the station with a reliable hose 1.7 meter long. The power cord is 1.8 meter long. The steam generator allows you to work with things hung vertically. However, many consider the optimal temp automatic temperature selection mode to be the main advantage of the device. TEFAL SV8055E0 Express Anti-CALC. The third place in the list of bestsellers is taken by TEFAL SV8055E0 Express Anti-CALC, although the steam generator iron could attract more attention of buyers. The problem areas of the model, which did not allow it to rise higher, can be considered the price, a little higher than we would like from an average budget device. The device also has minor flaws in the assembly, which do not interfere with operation, but are noticeable when compared directly with competitors. At the same time, TEFAL has many really important advantages. So, the device has a nice design and a large water tank with a volume of 1.8 liters. At the same time, the container itself is removable, which makes the process of filling it much easier. The power of the TEFAL SV8055E Zero Express Anti-CALC heating element is quite high, 2,800 watts. However, the pressure of the steam jet is 6.5 bar, maximum, and the water flow rate upon impact is 450 grams per minute. Such parameters easily provide comfortable ironing of dry dense fabrics, instant steaming of complex folds and work with vertically hung things. Finally, the TEFAL SV8055E Zero kit is wider than the classic one. In addition to the device itself, it also includes a hook for hanging clothes and a special heat-resistant net. Philips GC7920 20 Perfect Care Compact Plus. The Philips GC7920 20 Perfect Care Compact Plus model can be called one of the best mid-range steam generators, in terms of a combination of parameters and capabilities. It is quite light, less than 3 kilograms, has a beautiful design and a spacious removable tank of 1.5 liters. Not the highest power of 2,400 watts does not prevent this model from providing up to 6.5 bar of steam pressure. At the same time, water consumption is standard for a similar class of steam generators, 120 and 430 grams per minute, normal mode and steam boost mode. In addition to all the necessary degrees of protection and the existence of a vertical steam mode, the Philips GC7920 20 is equipped with optimal temp automatic temperature selection technology and the Pro Velocity continuous steam system. Philips GC9682 80 Perfect Care Elite Plus. Despite the relatively high price, premium steam generators can also be included in the list of bestsellers, as the Philips GC9682 80 Perfect Care Elite Plus model proves. This is a powerful and functional device that consumes up to 2,700 watts, giving out steam to the sole of the iron under pressure up to 8 bar. At the same time, water consumption is appropriate. In normal mode, the device consumes 165 grams per minute, and with a steam boost, already 600 grams. The water container holds 1.8 liters. The design of the tank is removable, with the possibility of adding fluid during ironing. In addition to the usual protection and ecosystems, the Philips GC9682 80 Perfect Care Elite Plus also supports the Optimal Temp proprietary automatic temperature selection technology and is equipped with a dynamic sensor that automates steam jet power selection. Mia Bravissimo. The Italian steam generator Mia Bravissimo attracts buyers with its brightly colored body and elegant shape. Thanks to such a warm design, this model magically looks noticeably more compact than one would expect from a 6-kilogram unit. However, the mass in the case of the Mia Bravissimo is by no means a synonym for power. The steam generator consumes a standard 2,200 watts, produces steam with a pressure of 5.5 bar, and has a removable tank with a capacity of 1,100 milliliters. Mia Bravissimo is a pretty high-quality steam generator. However, in addition to the attractive design and assembly of the European level, it differs little from its competitors in class. To conclude with a few more tips before you jump on to purchasing a steam generator iron. Pretty much all models have anti-scale and anti-calcium functions. Over time, calcium in the water supply will form limescale, which clogs the steam vents. That will be particularly important if you live in a hard water area. Higher wattage will generally mean faster heat up times. The quickest will be close ready in little more than a minute. In terms of safety, look out for auto switch off capabilities. And at the most practical level, consider whether the cord length works for your setup and ask yourself whether weight, size, and display type are deal breakers for you. To choose the best iron most suitable for you, check for how efficient they are at crease removal and how accurate the temperature is, as well as assessing ease of use, design, and instructions. Also, think about how you would use an iron, so consider how easy it is to clean, how much it weighs when full, and if the handle is comfortable to hold. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Let us know if you have already used either of these steam generator irons. What has been your experience?